exactly what happens during rhinoplasty, hidden details no one tells you. And here's something important. As a plastic surgeon, I get asked about rhinoplasty almost daily. It is one of the most popular procedures worldwide, yet also one of the most misunderstood. So today I am breaking down exactly what happens during rhinoplasty, what recovery is really like, and the hidden details no one tells you. So scientifically, rhinoplasty is about reshaping the nose by working on the bone, the cartilage and the soft tissues. Sometimes it's reduction, removing a hump, narrowing the bridge, refining the tip, and sometimes it's augmentation where we add more cartilage from your septum or ear or your chest cartilage to build structure and support. Often, it is also functional. Straightening a deviated septum or opening the nasal passages, it also helps patients to breathe better. And here's something important. Gone are the days of using traditional chisels and rasps to break the nasal bones. Technologies like piezotome, they use ultrasonic sound waves to reshape the bone with extreme precision and least trauma. And the result will be less trauma, less bruising, faster recovery, and a smoother, more predictable outcome. Now, the exact price, it varies widely, but the main factors which influence it is whether it's a primary rhinoplasty, which means first time surgery, or it's a revision, which is always more complex and more difficult. The technique used, whether we have to do a reduction, we have to do an augmentation, a functional correction, whether additional grafts are needed from the rib or cartilage from somewhere else. The technology is used, such as piezotome, which obviously improves your results and recovery, the surgeon's expertise, and the infrastructure of the hospital or the setup. So honestly, if I were to bet money on rebuilding your confidence, I would choose priceless. Now here's the part most people underestimate. The surgery itself is not the hard part, recovery always is. In first to second week, you'll have bruising and swelling, especially around the eyes, and you also have a splint. Between second to third week, you look okay, but you don't feel fully yourself. There is still some discoloration around the eyes, little bit of swelling. The real difference begins to show only after 3 to 4 months, and the final refined result, it becomes visible almost after a year, because that is the time, that is the amount of time which swelling takes to settle. Now, with piezotome technology, recovery tends to feel smoother, with less swelling, less downtime compared to traditional techniques. Now, here's another important fact. Up to 20% of rhinoplasty patients worldwide consider revision surgery. Why? Because expectations and healing don't always match. And that is why choosing the right surgeon, the right technique, right technology, it matters just as much as the surgery itself. So if you're considering rhinoplasty, know this. It's not just about changing your nose. It is also about balance, about breathing and confidence and patience during recovery. The best results, they are subtle, natural and personal. Because the goal is not to look like someone else. It is to look like the best version of you.